song for tonight. Once again, to Royal Tech family, thank you so much for having me tonight for your Thanksgiving Night 2026. Special thanks to Sir Alex Pinero, my co-host in the industry, Ma'am Andre, Nicole Carlos, si Ma'am Tree, ayan. Once again, my name is Miss Malco, ayan, the singing master of the ceremony. My official Facebook page is Singing MC Maui Dance. And for television movie appearances, type in my hashtag on any social medias, hashtag Maui Garden Sing MC. So, Vic and I will be singing an all-PM song tonight. Ayan, so this is something from Pops Fernandez and Pops Suzara din. The Bakit Ngayon Na Lang song. And wait now. All the performers, please get ready. And again, mobile bar 9:30 p.m. Photo booth is until 8. Hopefully, na-maximize ko yung ating photo booth and our mobile bar.
Nagulugay ako. Kasi magkaano pa kayo mamaya. Madam May, Madam Mikey, pwede ba makiram ng to? Pinaglakas sa live ka na talaga. Pinaglakas sa live. Nakatali yung sinasabi na.
Alright, once again, Vic, thank you for joining me tonight. Mr. Victory Tira-Tira.
Diba, nasa dulo ba yan? Dito dulo ba? Bebe, kailangan ko tulong. Paggaling niya mga hairpin ko, kailangan kasi palo.
Yeah, to all our Asura Tech fam outside, we're gonna have topic pasok na kayo. Alright, let's have our song, Vic.
Yung mga hairpin mo na tanggalin. Yan, ganito.
Thank you so much, Asura Tech Incorporated family, for having me tonight. Once again, I will be singing with Vic for tonight. Para sa malamig na panahon, maulan po, have a great evening sa Protect family.
Bakit